Hey, so what's going on, guys? So listen, I know many times I always have to ponder and answer this question myself. What made me stay in New York so long? And the subway system is an example of that. So what I'm about to show you is a compilation that I put together. That's footage that I collected, and I want to show y'all because they are perfect examples. I would say these are the extremes in most cases, in most measures, but not the pure extremes. So you'll see that yourself as you watch these clips. So guys, enjoy, leave your comments in the comment section, share, like, subscribe, and always donate to Cash App, $STRINGERBELL80. That is Stringerbell80, and there's also a PayPal link in the description. I'll talk to you guys in a few. Enjoy.
Three, two,
Oh no, it's after me good. Watch him, it's after me good. Hey, you'll never catch me. I hold the Lucky Charms. On a dark, desolate subway track, Shanquisha thought she had seen it all until she realized she fucked up. I know y'all asking the same question I'm asking. Who sold him a hand? Aye. What can I do to really shut down the game? Like, let them know I'm really out here. What can I go on? Why God, I don't stand here like... I am here to reclaim the crown prince of Zamunda, my son, Akeem. Yes, we have located Morpheus and Neo.